You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh yeah. You just put your paw in highlighter. Would you? Stella, your whole nose is highlighter. Come here. Show them. Your nose is popping. Look at your face. That's so cute. Hey guys, I'm back again. I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial today. My dogs are gonna be in it because they're chilling here. It's gonna be a rose gold look because I think that'll look good with my hair. So let's get into it. Okay, to moisturize my face, I'm gonna use Nivea Men Sensitive Post Shave Balm. It like moisturizes and primes your face. It's like $7. Okay, I'm going to do my brows off camera because they take so long, and I'll be right back. I did my eyebrows, and now I'm going to do my eyes, and I'm going to be using, actually I don't want this, actually, 1 second, the Morphe 3502. Okay, hopefully you guys can see better. I'm going to use the Kat Von D concealer. Lock-It concealer to prime my eyelids. Now I'm going to set the concealer just with any plain, like a white or a light tan shade, and just pack it on there. I'm using my Morphe Y15 brush. Now I'm going to go in with just like a light brown, so I'm going to use these 2 shades and go in the crease. Now I'm going to blend it up to my brow so it's not so harsh, and I'm going to go into the 35B palette and just use the white. Now I'm going to go in with a darker maroon shade. I'm going to do these 2 right there and put that in the outer corner. Now I'm going to pop a shimmer shade in the inner corner, and I'm going to use a mixture of this kind of dark copper shade and the gold, and I just use my finger for the inner corner. Now I'm going to take my same brush that I've been using, and whatever's left on it, I'm just going to blend it in with the gold. Okay, now I will do my winged eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, I did my winged eyeliner, and now I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and then I'm going to put on mascara, and I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Plush Drama again. Okay, I'm not going to put mascara on the bottom because then it's going to get concealer all over it and everything. So now I'm going to do my face makeup, so I'm going to zoom back out. I'm going to use the Maybelline 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation and use a beauty blender. Now I am going to use the Kat Von D concealer again under my eyes. going to contour with my Wet n Wild contour stick. Come on. I'm gonna try to do nose contour today. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I'll try. Now I'm going to bake my face. I'm going to use the Coty Airspun powder again. It's my favorite powder. Okay, as I'm letting that powder absorb into my skin, I'm going to bake my face, or bronze my face with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. She's like so into this right now. She's like, what is happening? No, okay, they gotta see what's happening. This is Stella, by the way. She's a rescue dog. And she's Pitbull and Weimaraner. I'm going to wipe off the powder and then put blush on. For blush, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me blush in 50. I always use my Tarte blush, but my sister took it, so now I'm going to put mascara on the bottom. I don't think I'm going to do eyeliner, so I'll just put mascara on the bottom using the same one. I'm going to highlight my face using the Carli Bybel palette, and I do a mixture of these two. Okay, after you highlight your face, spray it. Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And then today I think I'm going to do a glossy lip because I got a bunch of new glosses. So, okay, I'm going to use the NYX Duochromatic something. I've never used this before, but it's really like a gold. Okay, that last bit just cut out because my card was full. But that's the finished look. It's kind of just like a glowy rose gold bronzy look. But I don't know, I think it looks good if you have a reddish hair color or even just brown. It will look cute. Thank you guys for watching today. Like and subscribe. You met my dogs. Oh, Sophie. Sophie. Sophie, come here. Come here. This is Sophie. This is Sophie. She's a boxer. You didn't meet her yet. And this one's Stella. But you guys met my dogs. I want to do a Q&A for my next video, but I feel like no one's going to ask questions. But, comment or just like Snapchat me or DM me. That'd probably be easier because no one's going to comment because they're going to be like, my question's weird. Or they just don't like me. So, I don't know, I'm going to try to do a Q&A. It probably won't work. Probably be another tutorial coming up. But I'm going to try to film more. I've been doing good though. Like, go me. But yeah, so if you like have a question, you probably don't, and you probably don't care about me, so. But if you do, hit me up. Alright, see you guys.